Hello everyone, myself Pragati Chauhan and I am a student of JNB Farrukhabad of 10th class and I am going to represent my Science Art Integrated Project work which is directed by Mrs. Vijeta Sharma and prepared by members of Group 1 which are Pragati Chauhan, Ikra, Komal Misra, Rasmi Divakar and Sakshi Sag, and I am here to represent my whole group. First of all, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teachers and my principal sir because they gave us such a wonderful opportunity to explore something new about Arunachal Pradesh and enhance our knowledge. The topic of my project is various resources of protein, carbohydrates and fat. And here we are representing some major sources of protein, carbohydrate and fat in Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, some foods of Arunachal Pradesh are rice, bamboo shoot, appam and chura sabji and many more items. And the sources of protein in Arunachal Pradesh are given here. First of all, protein is a substance which is found in fish, meat, beans and many things. And the major sources of protein are fish, seafood, eggs and many things. In Arunachal Pradesh, major sources of proteins are lutkar. Number 1. Lutkar is a dish which is prepared with mixture of dry meat and chili flakes, and it is mainly prepared in December to celebrate the New Year. Lutkar is made by protein and 20 gram of protein is present in 100 gram of protein. So lutkar is also a good source of protein. Number 2 is nagatok. Nagatok is a fish curry which is prepared with fish, and nagatok is made by fish and 20 gram of protein is present in 100 gram of fish. So we say that nagatok is also a good source of protein among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Number 3 is rice. Rice is commonly eaten by the people of Arunachal Pradesh and it is a major food in Arunachal Pradesh. But rice contains low intensity of protein. Rice having 1 gram protein. But this is very popular among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. So we say that this is good source of protein. Number 4 is bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoots have sweet and sour flavors and prepared by the mustard, seeds and garlics. And it is very common among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Every dish is incomplete without bamboo shoot, and this is good point that this is also a good source of protein in Arunachal Pradesh. Now the fresh bamboo shoot contains 1.49 gram to 4.04 gram protein. And now some sources of carbohydrates are mainly found in red beans, popcorn, soft drinks, spaghetti and etc. But in Arunachal Pradesh, the major sources of protein are number 1, that is rice. Rice having a high intensity of carbohydrate and it is full of nutrients. Number 2 is bamboo shoot. As I say, bamboo shoot is very popular among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. It has average 3% of carbohydrate. But if we boil this, then the intensity of carbohydrate increased in it. But if we boiled it with salt solution, then intensity of carbohydrate will decrease. And the number 3 is chura sabji. Chura sabji. It is made up with the fermented cheese and yak milk, otherwise cow milk. And as we know, cheese is a good source of carbohydrate. So we say that overall chura sabji is a good source of carbohydrate. These all are good sources of carbohydrate among the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Now there are some sources of fat in Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, fat are substances that helps the body to use some vitamins and keep skin healthy. Some sources of fats are butter, oil, meats, fish and dairy products. In Arunachal Pradesh, major sources of fats are rice. Rice is very common in Arunachal Pradesh, and this is good point that 100 gram of rice contains 0.3 gram of fat, and this also contains some protein and high intensity of carbohydrate. Number 2 is marua. Marua is also known as oregano, and 100 gram of marua contains 4.2 gram fat. And as seen in this slide, that chura sabzi, dhokle, momos are also a good source of fat in Arunachal Pradesh. And these all our dishes are very popular. In Arunachal Pradesh and eaten by people of Arunachal Pradesh. And these all are dishes which are fulfilled with fat. And at last, as we know, protein, carbohydrate and fat are good for our health and growth of anyone. And in Arunachal Pradesh, these all nutrients are present in a huge amount, and so there is no problem of malnutrients. And again, I would like to express thanks to my teacher, and at last, thank you.